Now, it was meant for pure entertainment. Mark my words, pure entertainment. Now, one of 9 Eric OMONDI's wife material ladies has come through and revealed that nobody or no one slept with Eric OMONDI, as many were out here speculating or claiming, insisting that whatever they did during that show was meant for pure entertainment. So, can we say that this Eric OMONDI stuff is overrated? Well, I don't think so, because I bet it has kept Kenyans entertained for straight, how long? 2 weeks now, plus something on top. Yeah, so we can say it is overrated because it has served its purpose, bro. You feel me? Which is entertainment. Now, this lady who goes by the name Shakilla was clearing the air because many people have been out here attacking them, saying, yo, these ladies don't value themselves and other crazy stars, where she came through and insisted that she does not need, or she was not looking for any man out here, maintaining that she has her own morals and that people don't know whether she has a husband or a boyfriend back at home. Kitale. Anyways, man, enough said. This is what this lady came through and said while clearing the air concerning the Eric OMONDI wife material stuff.
Hey guys, Sheila from Kitale, the Chile from KTL, representing my people. Anyways, hizo rumors za ati tulidos na Eric, hakuna dem alidos na Eric. To respect, he was a good boss, na mimi nili enjoy going to those places in Mombasa, Nini na Nyuki, as in it was the best experience ever, courtesy of wife material thing. Anyways, mimi dem niko na dignity zangu, na mimi nilienda hiyo show to have fun. Not that as in I was looking for a serious husband. My gosh, who goes to television and look for a husband? Nah. Mimi ni mrembo, nitapata mwanaume nje na maybe niko na yeye. Anyways, hizo position 100 and something, hata mkiuza my boy fee atashanga juu maybe sijaimfanyia vitu kama hizo. So mimi nilikuwa nafurahisha. So ukiwa entertainment industry,
yeah, that is what this lady Shakilla had to come through and say while clearing the air on the rumors or speculations or all the negative stuff that has been or have been surrounding Eric OMONDI's wife material show, bro. So we can conclude that it was all meant for pure entertainment, and we all know that Eric OMONDI is looking for no wife from the internet, if you know what I mean. And so even with these ringtone stuff, bro, I know ringtone was just trying to chase clout in the name of wife material versus Eric OMONDI, and it's not a surprise because we are used to this guy chasing clout. Anyways, man, that is what's good for now. What do you guys think? Because according to me, I think Eric OMONDI did the most, you know, kissing all those ladies and stuff. But anyways, man, go ahead and tell us what you think down in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, bliska.ke, and I'll see you in the next one.